Suppliers are an integral part of any company's new product development process. Monitor whether your suppliers are meeting expectations as suitable business partners. If anything goes wrong, how do you contact the supplier immediately? Enhance collaboration by using a quality hub on the cloud, which can help you quickly and efficiently exchange data with your suppliers. With the Teamcenter Quality Supplier Quality Hub, you can manage suppliers' complaints, exchange documents for the production part approval process, reduce lead time, and replace time-consuming workflows. By combining the Teamcenter quality problem-solving capabilities, manage complaints quickly where the supplier is considered responsible. Suppliers are automatically notified when a complaint is available. Then suppliers can access relevant data about the quality issue, add the root cause analysis outcomes, or define the containment, corrective, and preventive actions, and send results back to complete the analysis. Speed up the production part approval process. Exchange and validate documents with your suppliers directly. Check the status of complaints and quality actions with interactive dashboards. Replace time-consuming communications with a cloud solution to realize immediate value. Boost your quality processes with strengthened collaboration with suppliers.